Alright, Sunday the 22nd of April, and just after 7 a.m. and we are on our way, if you can believe it, with the snow still on the ground, to a British car show and flea market this morning in Ancaster, Ontario. She's a little frosty and have to scrape the windshield, so it's not every day that you go to a British car show when you got heavy frost. So kudos to those guys who'll be driving their British cars today. It'll be an awfully cold start for some of them. Anyway, we'll get the truck going, get her warmed up, and we'll be on our way. We'll see you at the show. Alright, we've had a wander through the vendors area. I didn't get lucky like I did last year, and last year the first table I went to, I found a whole set of TR250 enamel badges for like $60, something crazy like that. So nothing like that this year, unfortunately. Anyway, there's a few cars here to be looked at. So we'll have our wander through the parking lot and see what we can find out here. They're still rolling in, which is a good thing. Anyway, beautiful day, finally. So anyway, we'll have a little tour. Alright, we'll take a bit of a wander. It's starting to get a little busier. I'll try to keep the commentary down. We'll look at the cars instead. Twins, MGC GTs. Little bug eyes. That'd be good for cutworm, that one. Hey, cutworm, you could turn yours into a pickup.
I'd like one of those.
I always like this color. I call it ice blue. Not sure what the actual name is. A little amphicar action for you.
Yeah, I think this guy goes to the wrong. There's partners.
A couple nice old Morgans. This one's got some nice patina on it. Beauties. Nice looking stag. They're emerald green or mallard blue, hard to tell. Nice looking car. Automatic. Pretty good contingent of minis. Quite the color on this one. Nice looking GT6. Some TVRs. From low tie. The newer MG. The Jag area coming up. These guys always tend to park by themselves. They don't play well with others. FHC.
Very little on there. Oh yeah, it's so good. Do you know Barry? I don't like that one. Do you know I have a job trying in the also cook because I enjoy that so much. I've never tried, and they do all kinds of food there.
Triple SUs.
Yeah, never had a bad meal.
I had the beetroot.
Really don't know much about it. No, must be road. Yeah, because there's 2 spark plugs down.
Little TR8 action. I think mine is going to be white when I get around to restoring it. Mine will be with a black top and a black interior. This has got the blue top and the blue interior. Another 8. Another 8. That's the current color of my 8. That's Persian Aqua. A nice stag. Topaz TR6. There's a familiar face. Rusty Beauty.
You lost your eyebrows years ago.
Couple nice MGAs. Nice 69 TR6. There's Rosie. There's a nice 6. I think that's Carmine is the color of that one.
I'll talk to Dave. Dave, you got a pair of red lines on yours. Are they any good?
Is it a Carmine or Damson? One for Crazy Les. A Rally Capri.
Brother Gary. Hey, brother Colin. Hey, Colin. I was looking for the TD parking. Oh, yeah. And there is no. Well, they have Jaguar parking.
Nice pearl paint on this one. Spree. I think I'd have trouble getting in that one. Beauty. Nice little Austin. Another MGA, fixed head. Very nice. I don't think you'll see a nicer Tiger than this one. This gent also has a mint TR8.
There you go, there's your Alpine.
Don't see many Thames vans here. This one I've not seen before. How's that for engine placement? The beauty. Jensen Interceptor.
I know the name, yeah. I can't. You do make a difference. I said,